Hi everybody. So I am going to read Nibbles the Book Monster. This is a story about a monster called Nibbles. Do you want to read the book with Mommy?
Yeah.
So come.
Where's my dog?
Sorry everybody. Nibbles likes to nibble on soap and nibble socks and nibble chomps on rubber ducks. Nibbles loves to nibble toes. Nibble loves to nibble hooks. But Nibbles' favorite thing to nibble, Nibbles' favorite things of all, oh, sorry guys, but Nibbles' favorite thing of all to nibble on is, you remember? Book. Books. Oh no, where's Nibble? He's nibbled. My dog. Alright guys, I put my dog outside and we're ready to read. Oh no, where's Nibble? He nibbled his way out of the book.
There's a woman in there.
And there's Nibbles. He's gone.
Oh, that's a problem.
Yes. Can you see him? Where's Nibbles?
Wait.
Show everybody. Right there. He's right
That's
there.
Nibbles.
See, there's Nibbles. We found him. Oh no! Nibbles nibbled his way into someone else's story called Goldilocks and the Three Bears.
Okay.
First, Goldilocks tried the big bowl of porridge. Yuck! Too salty. Then she tried the in-betweeny size bowl of porridge. Too sweet. Then Goldilocks tried the teeny tiny bowl of porridge.
Wait.
What?
She has big hair.
I know she has big hair. Monster! Burp. She seen Nibbles and she got scared. Santino, what do they have? You tell everybody. She has big hair. Santino said she has big hair and she was scared.
What's his name?
Her name is Goldilocks. When the three little bears came home, they were shocked. Someone's eaten my porridge, said Daddy Bear. Someone smashed my chair, said Mama Bear. Someone's broken everything, said Baby Bear. It wasn't me. It was a monster, said Goldilocks. Poor Goldilocks. Naughty Nibbles has nibbled his way into another book. Quick, let's catch him. Now he's in Little Red Riding Hood book. Let's find out what happens in this story. Help! Stop that nibbler! He's just nibbled my granny's lunch basket. And he nibbled my cloak.
I can't see.
See? But I have to show my students. I have to videotaping it. Deep in the dark forest, Little Red found Grandma's cottage. There's her cottage. Little Red knocked on the door. Knock, 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 knock. And went inside. Grandma, you look very strange. Ooh, hold on. Let's show everybody the book. The page first. Ooh, okay. I look strange. What about Little Red? She doesn't look right at all. Oh, Little Red, what cute, fluffy paws you have. What grumbly, tummy. And what nibble little teeth. All the better to nibble with, said Nibbles.
Where's TV?
Hold on. Wait, I'm showing them the wrong page. That's the page. This one. After a terrible hooligan, Grandma was set free from the cupboard. Let me in. This is meant to be about me, said Little Red. My hero said, my hero.
Look.
Thank you, Nibbles.
Look.
Oh, Nibbles, you've turned me into a chicken. I feel fluffy. So Nibbles turns the wolf into a chicken. And the big bad wolf was never big or bad ever again. Oh dear, Little Red is not happy. We really got to catch that Nibbles this time. He's making a real mess of things. Let's get him. Nibbles jumped into another book. What book is this? Jack and the Beanstalk. Okay, let's see what happens in Jack and the Beanstalk story. What do you think Nibbles is gonna do? Jack just hid in time. Look, this is Jack, this little boy.
That's a little tiny boy.
That's a little tiny boy. The giant was home. Mr. Giant stomped through, boom, 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 through his giant door and sat in his giant chair. But something didn't feel quite right. Fee, fi, fo, bum! Something just bit my booty, and they're running away with my goose. So let's show everyone the picture. So here's the giant. This is his bird. And look, little Nibbles bit his booty. The giant tried to catch the intruder. And Golden Goose, come back here. Which way am I going? Hold on, we gotta show everyone the book. Hold on. I can't figure out which side to show them. Fee, fi, fo, fum! I'll get you back for this nibbling hooligan. When Jack climbs the big giant beanstalk in his backyard, he finds a giant house, a giant golden goose, and a Will Jack set the poor goose free? Hooray! The golden goose is set free at last, and it looks like he's taking Nibbles to his own story. Yay! The golden goose has dropped Nibbles back in his own book. Ouch! Thank you, Golden Goose. Now quick, close the crate before Nibbles escapes. Close the crate for everybody. Close it. Boom! Phew! Well done. Now you really mustn't take your eyes off of Nibbles. Not even for 1 second. Stop! Can you hear something? What's that noise? Nibbles. Chomp, 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 chomp. Okay, hold on. Okay, open it up. Nibbles! Oh no! Not again! So Nibbles is gone. He munched and crunched his way out of the book. I hope you guys like that book. Santino loves that book. And I cannot wait to see you when you all come to school. Bye, everybody. Say bye.
Bye.